Hi children, welcome back my channel Learning Tutor. I hope you are all well. Today you will do mental math. That means revision test from class 1 math. Number 1A. 57 equal to 40 plus. 40 plus which number is equal to 57? You will do just subtract. So here 17. 40 plus 17 equal to 57. B part. Add. Simple addition. 17 plus 43. First you will add ones place. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 1 add with 4, 5, 1, 6. So answer 60. Next 2A part. 39 minus 0. You know, when you will subtract any number from 0, you will get the number itself. So here answer 39. Next 2B part. It's also subtract 18 minus 3. 18 minus 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So answer 5. Next number 3A part. 5 set of 6. That means 5 set of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set. And each set has 6 things. Okay, so you will do multiplication. 5 multiply 6 equal to 30. Next, B part. 7 sets of 7 each. It's also multiplication. 49. 49. Next 4A part. The last day of the week is, you know, Saturday. Saturday. Next, how many days in a year? You know, 365. But when I say you, how many days in a leap year? So days 366. Okay. Next 5A part. 89 minus 7. 82. B part. 66 plus 4 plus. First you will add ones place. 6 plus 4. 10. 1 carry. 1, 1, 2. 6, 7, 8. So answer 80. Next 6A part. 85 plus 14. 4 plus 5, 9. 1 plus 8 also 9. So answer 99. B part. 9 plus 8 plus 2 equal to 10 plus dash. Equal to means B left side and right side equal. So first you will add this 3 number. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. So here 10 plus 9, also these two sides equal. Next 7A part. Here question, insert the correct sign, greater than, less than or equal to. You know, greater than, less than, equal to. So you will add these two sides addition and write the and put the sign. Okay. 80 plus 4, 84. 70 plus 14, 84. So here sign equal to. Next B part. 59 plus 9. 59 plus 9. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6, 1 carry, 66. Here 67. So sign like this. greater than. Okay. Next C part. 98 plus 10. 8. 8 and 9 1. 10. 108. Here 105. So sign less than. Okay. Next 25 plus 86. 8 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 carry 6, 1, 7, 8, 9, 93. 4, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry 4, 1, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, sign like this. Next, number 8 A part. What comes before and after? 43 before, just before, minus 1. 43 before, 42. 43 after, 44. 88 before, 87. 88 after, 89. 110. 110 before, 109. Here 111. Okay. Next 9 A part. 5 rupees have dash paisa. 5 rupees have 500 paisa. You know 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So 5 rupee equal to 500 paisa. Next 9 B part. Very important for you. 2 rupees coin have how many 25 paisa coin? 2 rupees 2 equal to 200 paisa. So here 8 25 paisa altogether 200 paisa. Okay. Next, expand form. 438. 430 tens and 8 ones make 438. B part 905. 900 0 tens 500 5 ones make 905. Okay.